falses in uno falsis in omnibus explain. Ans. Expression falses in uno falsis in omnibus means false in one particular, false in all or false in one thing false in all. This well-known maxim has not received general acceptance in different jurisdictions in India, nor has this come to occupy the status of rule of law. It is merely a rule of caution. In Ranbir v. State of Punjab AIR 1973 SC 1409 it was observed the maxim falsis in uno falsis in omnibus is not a sound rule to apply in the condition in our country, and therefore it is the duty of court in cases where a witness has been found to have given unreliable evidence in regard to certain particulars, to scrutinize the rest of his evidence with care and caution. If remaining evidence is trustworthy and the substratum of the prosecution case remains intact, then court should uphold the prosecution case to the extent it considers safe and trustworthy. In Chandu v. State of UP 1991, Crime 710 it was held that it is misconception that a witness has to be believed in toto or disbelieved in toto, which in fact a rule of English law not accepted by the courts in India. Doctrine of falsis in uno falsis in omnibus is not applicable in this country for the simple reason that in good majority of criminal cases there is admixture of untruth in the statement of witness. In such cases the court is bound to indulge in the exercise of minutely examining the evidence of separating the chaff from the grain, once it accepts the essential part of prosecution story.